Okay, I'm back, and the whole deal today, or now, is to take off the intake. So I've removed most of the stuff, just going to go over it again. Fuel line comes in here, from here to here, goes into this box, two 10mm bolts. We got the evap purge solenoid here. Again, 10mm bolt, and the same harness goes into your upper T-map, and that's one bolt. I've got the upgraded GM kit, so that's a 4-pin, and then we have the brake booster line here. We got the lower charge pipe, that's a vacuum line, and then we have the I think this is another solenoid for the boost. Get that out of the way. There's another bolt on the side of this fuel pump, and I think that's it. Very easy to do. The hardest part on this was there's a bracket. You probably can't see it here. There's a bracket here, and you have to get way the hell down there to get that out. So the hardest part now is going to be able to get this off the intake tube, the lower charge pipe. All the other bolts were 13 mil. Oh, almost. Ooh. Looks like a lot of goo in there. I can't seem to get it any further off here. Well, getting to this point was easy. I guess I should try and take more of that clamp off. There's also a plug I can't really get to. Well, getting all the stuff off was easy. Just getting this off of the lower intake pipe has been difficult. There's another bracket right here I gotta take off, I guess. Jeez. There's two bolts there and one you can't get at. So just to clarify, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just trying to troubleshoot this myself. So it's a code p0303, which is a misfire on cylinder 3. To me that sounds very specific, cylinder 3. So I've done the spark plugs. I swapped over the coils. The other possibility is a bad injector, which is underneath this. And the other issue would be valves. So I'm going to check the injectors, put it all back together, and then do a pressure test on the cylinder, and then do a leak, an air leak down test. But I ordered that part. I don't know when that's going to come in. So right now a little difficulty with this piece. Just trying to get it free from the lower charge pipe here. I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that. Anyways, that's all for now. Once this intake is off, we'll have a view of the situation, but I can already see from when I did pull it back, there's a bit of build up there. So once the intake's off, then we'll mess around with the injectors. Like I said, the hardest part was getting this bar at the underneath, and as I see now, I'm having difficulty getting it off the lower charge pipe. So I'll see what I can do with that. Anyways, until I get that off,